Hello beautiful people, it's your girl Esther. Happy New Year once again. Happy New Year. We are welcome to the year 2018. So this year from my kitchen we are going to be cooking a lot like never before. I know most Africans will normally cook white rice and stew, but this year we'll be cooking rice and vegetables. We will not be eating our rice empty anymore. Watch this video and be blessed. So wash the rice first. I'll be using my rice cooker. That's the rice. We just add salt to it and let it cook. I'm using my rice cooker. You can use a pot if you like, but I decided to use a rice cooker. Vegetables I'm using, I don't want too much. Those are the vegetables I'll be using. I'm going to be shredding them. Stay tuned. Just fry the onions. Just fry the onions. Just boil your carrots and keep the frying. The frying. Reduce your fire so that the carrots can get soft. After your carrots, you're going to pour the brown pepper, then this is coming in last. Carrots is a bit soft, now pour the boiled pepper and stir it, stir it, stir it, stir it, stir it. Okay. Then let your beans come in last. I'm using frozen beans. Then stir it together. Allow it to cook for a while. So allow it to cook for a while. I'm going to be adding this. Add your thyme. This is just like Maggi. Just add a bit to it. Add a pinch of salt to it. That's it. Add your thyme also and a pinch of curry. We don't want the rice to be yellow, so minimize your curry level. If possible, take it out so that it doesn't go yellow like a normal regular fried rice. So the vegetable is soft enough now. I'm just going to pour in the rice. Just pour in your rice. That's the rice. The rice is already cooked. You just pour in the rice and stir fry it together. You're just going to stir it until the vegetable comes to the surface. Keep stirring it. Your vegetable rice. The outlook is like a fried rice, but without stock or any serious deal. So that's your vegetable fried rice. Yes. That's it, people. So no dull moment this season, no dull moment, man. So that's it. It's going down with some bad stew, rice and stew, vegetable rice and stew. No dulling. Prosperous New Year to you all. Bye. If you enjoy watching that video, but for you to see the full process of the cooking, you might need to check out my YouTube page on Facebook. You might need to check out my YouTube page. It's Esther Eric Idahosa. It will show you the full process of that cooking. Esther Eric Idahosa on YouTube. And please, after watching, do well to subscribe to see more of us in the nearest future. So like, come your way next time. It's your girl Esther. Bye bye. Subscribe.